Identify the physical phenomenon. The movement of gas molecules escaping from a container through a tiny opening, pinhole, into a region of lower pressure is known as effusion. Understand what determines the rate of effusion. The rate at which a gas effuses is directly determined by the average speed, specifically, the root mean square speed, of its individual gas particles. Faster-moving particles are statistically more likely to collide with the small pinhole opening and escape the container. Analyze the relationship between temperature and average kinetic energy. According to the kinetic molecular theory, the average kinetic energy of gas particles is directly proportional to the absolute temperature in Kelvin. Because both containers are held at the exact same temperature, 25 degrees Celsius, the helium atoms and the neon atoms must have the exact same average kinetic energy. Relate average kinetic energy to mass and molecular speed. Average kinetic energy is mathematically defined by the mass, m, and speed, v, of the particles. Ke equals 1 over 2 mv to the power 2. Since the average kinetic energies are equal, we can set their terms equal to each other. 1 over 2 m hev he to the power 2 is equal to 1 over 2 m nevna to the power 2. This demonstrates that average speed is inversely proportional to the square root of the particle's mass. Therefore, lighter particles must move at a higher average speed to maintain the same average kinetic energy as heavier particles. Compare the molar masses of the two gases. Helium, He, has a molar mass of approximately 4.00 grams per mole. Neon, Ne, has a molar mass of approximately 20.18 grams per mole. Determine which gas escapes faster. Because helium has a significantly lower molar mass than neon, helium atoms move with a higher average speed than neon atoms at 25 degrees Celsius. This means helium atoms will hit the pinhole much more frequently, allowing He to escape faster through the pinhole, which matches option A. The correct answer is option A. He will escape faster because the He atoms have a higher average speed than the Ne atoms.